How to run internal cmd command from the msys shell? The Windows CMD utility has a number of internal commands, such as mclink. How can they be used from the msys shell? From CMD's documentation, the /c switch can be used to execute a command and exit, but this doesn't seem to work. If I do cmd/c mclink, the mclink command is not executed and the CMD shell is not exited. Before pressing enter, after, process monitor screenshot. Trying to run the command as a background process, cmd/c mclink in amp, apparently works, the mclink command is executed, but the CMD shell is not terminated. Every time enter is pressed, CMD will become the active shell.
Search your %path % for semd.semd or semd.bat. They may interfere with your semd. Run process monitor and run your semd/c mclink. Examine Procman log for really executed commands.
Win7/sigwin/bash had same problem. Solution is to launch CMD twice, and convert slashes to backslashes as needed by CMD, for example. repo_dir equals $repo_dir / example, turn C column/CVS into C column/CVS for CMD. CMD/C CMD/C mclink/d.repo $repo_dir # launch CMD/C CMD/C CMD.
Process Monitor helped track down the issue. It is that msys will convert /c to C column /. It needs to be escaped, cmd//c mclink. The way these conversions are done is explained here. Mihairo Taru Jan 113 at 2132. I could not get this to work based on Mihai's comment alone, because the path still contained // in it, and mclink complained that /msys64 was not a valid switch. So I wrote a batch script to get it working. Here's how I call my batch script from msys. And, the batch script takes those two paths, and converts, to /, using the, column old equals new, parameter expansion syntax for string replacements. 1. This is similar to bash's, $param column/old/new, syntax, for those familiar with it.
Expanding on Mihairo Taru's comment. Process Monitor helped track down the issue. It is that msys will convert /c to C column /. It needs to be escaped, cmd//c mclink. The way these conversions are done is explained here. Mihairo Taru Jan 113 at 2132. This /c to C column / conversion can also be avoided for some or all arguments by using the environment variable msys2_arg_conv_excluding. For example, careful since and will mean different things. Citing the msys2 docs. msys2_arg_conv_excluding can either be to mean exclude everything, or a list of one or more arguments prefixes separated by like msys2 underscore arg underscore conv underscore excluding equals dir equals blah equals semicolon slash test.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.